Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up IOGIANT AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS Push Button. This is the easiest method to set up the any extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your IOGIANT AC1200 extender and plug it into a wall outlet. Choose a location near your main Wi-Fi router for the initial setup. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. On the router, locate the WPS button. It may be on the front or back and labeled WPS, or have a 2 arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. Don't hold it down for many seconds, a single short press is usually correct. Long pressing may trigger a router reset on some models. The router will enter WPS mode for a short window, commonly about 2 minutes. Its WPS LED may blink rapidly, this indicates pairing is open. Find the WPS button on the IOGIANT extender. The WPS button is located in the side panel of the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the router, press the WPS button on the IOGIANT extender. Usually you press once, the extender's WPS LED will blink during the handshake. Wait, do not press other buttons or unplug during this handshake. The device's exchange encryption keys automatic all. After a successful handshake, typically 10 to 60 seconds, the extender's WPS/link LED will become solid, instead of blinking. The 2.4 GHz and or 5 GHz LEDs may light indicating which bands are connected. Some extenders show a separate signal LED, green/amber/red, green is good, amber okay, red is weak. Setup complete. Your IOGIANT AC1200 Wi-Fi extender is now successfully connected using WPS and ready to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.